Hello guys, meron tayong Skyward 55 inches. Ito siya guys, meron siyang power pero wala siyang picture, pero merong sound. Ito siya guys, may maninag siyang Skyward. Yan siya guys. Pag ganyan guys, ito guys, yung nasa board yung problema niya guys, kasi ito bago pa lang ito guys. Ito yung model niya guys. Yan. So yan guys, shorted siya. Shorted, nasa buzzer mode siya guys. Ayan. Nagbabuzzer siya guys. It means shorted. Yan ang palitan nyo guys. At magiging okay na yung TV. Thanks for watching guys.